Hi guys, thanks for watching the video. We love riding motorcycles. I'm sure you love riding motorcycles, but unfortunately, sometimes shit happens.
And that's why we created the Wrecked Rider Fund. You can either go donate or you can go apply at supportbikers.com.